how can this glass of water help you dance better Cuban breaks? The goal of this exercise is to not spill any water and avoid unnecessary body movement and swings during the rotation. So one of my favorite practices at home for the Cuban breaks is to using this glass of water and create the center, visual center right now, to make my hip twist rotation much controlled especially away from the center point as my hand. So first of all, what you have to do is put the glass of water in front of you, in front of your chest. Now this center has no movement, will create the hip twist action on our standing left leg, and after that you can check your legs into the position. Now on the way the return, you come back, you return, you replace your weight on the left leg, you will swivel again, you will pivot on the standing leg, and then you can take a step to the side. Again, replace your weight on the left leg, hip twist without using the center point. Check, return, replace your weight on the left leg, pivot, side step. And again, side step. Control the center, control the water in the glass, and make sure that your hip twist is pretty wide and your right leg, it's not pointed forward. Because in this situation, when you will lock the legs into the check, you will have a big split position between your knees. So make sure that you pivoting your standing foot enough and you create a nice hip twist action when your leg in a cross and your center will stay in place. Now you can check, and it's for sure you will finish your nice check position and you will collect your thighs and your knees together. Replace your weight, pivot, back to the center, side step. Now let's try it with the left side. Take a side step, pivot on your standing leg, but keep your center in place. Make sure that your hip twist is nice and wide and your left leg is pointed across. Now make a check position, replace your body weight on the right leg, pivot back, take a side step. And again, side step. Keep the center in place, make a nice hip twist action, leg pointed to the cross, to the corner of the room. Now check the legs and your thighs, replace your body weight on the right leg, pivot back to the center, and take a side step. That's a great exercise to help and prevent all possible tension between your partner, you and your partner, and also it will help you to control your weight and rotation much better. Dance Today continues to create entertaining and educational content because of the contributions from viewers like you. If you would like to donate to the channel, please click on the Patreon link in the description below. Thank you for your support.